Hello dear students. In this video we are going to solve this question which contains the most atoms of oxygen. So we have to find the number of oxygen atoms for all these options. First is 64 gram of oxygen and molar mass of oxygen molecule is 32 grams per mole. So 64 gram of oxygen is given, which means if we want to calculate the number of moles, then we will divide this given mass 64 gram by its molar mass 32 grams per mole. So it becomes 64 divided by 32, 2 moles. So 2 moles of oxygen molecule are there. So one oxygen molecule contains 2 oxygen atoms. So 2 moles of oxygen will contain 4 moles of oxygen atoms, and 1 mole is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to 23. So 4 moles will be equal to 4 into 6.02 into 10 raised to 23. So 6.02 multiply 4. So it will be equal to 24.08 into 10 raised to 23 oxygen atoms. It contains this much atoms. 1.2 into 10 raised to 24 molecules of oxygen gas. So one oxygen molecule contains 2 oxygen atoms, and this much molecules will contain the double of oxygen atoms, which means 1.2 multiply 2, 2.4 into 10 raised to power 24 oxygen atoms. Next is 64 gram of this molecule. So if we want to calculate the molar mass of this molecule, so atomic mass of carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1, oxygen is 16. So 12 multiply 3, 36 plus 5 plus 16 multiply 3, 48. So now we will add this. So this is equal to 89 grams per mole, molar mass of this molecule. And if we want to calculate the number of moles, it will be equal to 64 gram given mass upon molar mass, 89 grams per mole. So it will be equal to 64 divided by 89. 0.719 moles. So one molecule of this contains 3 oxygen atoms. So this much moles will contain 0.719 into 3 moles of oxygen atoms, and 1 mole is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to 23. So now we will calculate this. 0.719 multiply 3 multiply 6.02. So 12.9 into 10 raised to 23. into 10 raised to 23. Next is this much molecules, and one molecule contains 3 oxygen atoms. So we will multiply it with 3. 3.6 into 10 raised to 24. And this is equal to 1.29 into 10 raised to 24. And this is equal to 2.4 into 10 raised to 24. Now you can see this is the maximum number of oxygen atoms. 3.6 into 10 raised to 24. So now you can see the mark scheme also. Yes, D option is right. So this is the whole solution of this question. If still you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. All the best.